All right, Facebook. This is June Collier, and I am doing this Facebook Live direct from my computer. So this is my first time doing that from the computer. But we had a really, really great time today in Warner Robins. I actually went to Warner Robins with Mr. Greg Napier. He came in town, and so Mr. Greg Napier and I actually went down to Warner Robins to do a do-it-yourself credit repair workshop. And so this is one of the first ones that we've actually done, and it was very, very well attended. We had a great time. We had many associates that were there. We had associates that came in town for the workshop. We had a lot of attendance, a lot of interest. And so this was really my first shot at doing a workshop where we really invited the public to come to a workshop to learn about DIY credit repair. And it was really successful. And we had some people that got signed up, got started in the business. A lot of questions that people had to ask. And again, very, very well received. So we're going to definitely be doing more of these workshops. I'm probably going to continue to tweak and tune the presentation and just kind of tweak that. So be looking in your back office over the next several days and weeks as I tweak and make that thing hum as good as possible. I also have a new, what am I working on? I'm working on a new worksheet. It's a do-it-yourself credit repair worksheet. And so let me put the link to the worksheet here in your inbox or in the inbox so that you can grab a copy of that if you want to. Let's see, how do I do this? Here we go. I'm gonna put this in the comments here and see if that works for you. bit.ly/boom. And so I just posted that in the comment section. You can actually download that, and it's a worksheet. So it has the note, it has the blank spots for you to pass out, and then it has the master copy with the answers so that you can get that. Miss Yolanda says, I want one of those pens. Hey guys, we actually I saw these pens, and so what I did is I actually got some pens for my team, and man, this right here actually will get people to really looking and asking questions. And so these are like name badges, and we programmed this that says ask me how you can fix your own credit. So you don't even have to say anything. You just kind of put your badge on, and people are gonna reach out to you and ask you. If you are interested, I've got a few left. So I bought some for the team, and they really went like hotcakes today at the do-it-yourself credit repair workshop. They went like hotcakes. If you do want one, these are $10, and if I have to send it to you, if I have to mail it to you, I gotta probably charge you $2. I don't even know what the shipping will be on it. It's not that heavy. It comes in this little box here, and what it comes with is a charger cable. So you'll get a cable, and it comes with some instructions, and it also comes with let's see here. Comes with this little CD. So the CD has the program on it, because you can actually program the name tag to say whatever you want it to say. So I've already programmed the name tag to say, ask me how to fix your own credit. But you can program it to do or say whatever it is that you want it to say. So if you are interested, like I said, these are going to go for, I got a few more that's left, $10. And then I'll ship it to you. I'm thinking no more than $2 for shipping. I hope I don't cheat myself on that. $2. I'm sure it's not that heavy. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't say $2 because I don't know how much shipping it would actually cost. But just inbox me, let me know that you're interested, and I'll get your address, and we'll set that up if you want a pen like this. But again, I put in the comment section the worksheet. So if you want to get your hands on the worksheet, go ahead and click on the link in the comment section where I put a link to the worksheet where you can get your hands on the worksheet. Let's see who's saying, what people are saying. Laquita says, how can I get a name tag? How do we get one of those pens? All right, just inbox me, and we'll get you one. We'll get you one. Yeah, everybody. Oh man, you guys love the badges, right? Love the pens. All right, cool. Somebody said Eric McKinley, that's a platinum gift. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely. So if you want one, just like I said, inbox me. Let me know that you want one. I'll get your address. We'll get one shipped out to you. I do have just a few more that are left over from today's event. So we'll get those out to you if you are interested. Again, check the link, and you will find the link to the worksheet that you can start using. Eric says lowball. Man, I'm just, Eric, I'm not trying to make no money off of this thing. I'm just, this is what I'm just doing for the team. And again, if you want one, it's $10 and $2 for shipping, unless shipping costs me a little bit more. So let's just say $12, and you can get you one of these name tags, and I'll go ahead and program it for you as well, and you'll have instructions on how to program it yourself if you decide to do so. All right, guys, it is Saturday night, and I want to thank you for just tuning in. Again, check the link so that you can download the worksheet, and that worksheet is a test worksheet right now. It's a test worksheet. I may be changing it, but for right now, that's the worksheet that you can use when you do home parties, and you're sitting down talking to people, giving them something that they can use to take their own notes with, and it will be great. It'll be great. So with that being said, I'm going to give you your Saturday night back. It is 9:41 p.m. here on the East Coast, and I'm about to go upstairs and relax, have a restful day, because I've been up since about 4 o'clock this morning. We drove down to Warner Robins, and then we turned around and drove back. So with that being said, this is June Collier signing out. God bless, take care, and I'll see you guys soon.